Hello. This presentation opens a series of further presentations on project management theme. Session 1. Three levels of management. When an organization is working on several initiatives at once, management usually operates at three levels: project, program, and portfolio. They are connected, but they do different jobs. Before we go deeper into project management, it helps to understand how these three levels differ because they are often mentioned together and that creates confusion. What is the difference? Project management focuses on delivering a specific outcome, a defined piece of work with a clear goal. Program management brings related projects together so they move forward a wider objective. Portfolio management looks at bigger picture, all projects and programs across the organization and decides where time, money, and attention should go. Once you see the difference, the whole logic becomes much clearer. Project management. Project management is about delivering one specific piece of work. For example, building a house, creating a website, launching a product, or organizing a conference. Its role is simple: to make sure the work is delivered on time, within budget, and at the expected level of quality. It focuses on the team's day to day work, keeping delivery on track, managing time, cost, and risk, reaching a defined result. In short, a project is a one off effort with a clear outcome. Program management. Program management is about making several related projects work together. For example, a digital transformation program may include a CRM, customer relationship management project, a new IT platform, staff training, and process automation, and so on. Each project has its own result, but the program looks at the combined effort. Its role is to coordinate connected projects, reduce overlap and conflict, keep them aligned, make sure they create broader value together. In short, a program is a group of related projects managed for a shared purpose. Portfolio management. Portfolio management works at the highest level. It looks across all projects and programs in the organization and asks, which of these really matter most right now? For example, a company may decide which initiatives to launch, which to delay, and which to stop. Its role is to set priorities, allocate budget and resources, assess risk at organizational level, make sure investments support strategy. In short, a portfolio is the full set of change initiatives an organization chooses to manage. A simple example: we go level by level. Project: sample, build a house. Purpose: deliver one specific result. Get a house done. Program: sample, develop a residential area with houses, roads, and schools. Purpose: coordinate related projects toward one shared goal, that is a residential area. Portfolio: sample, decide how the wider city territory should be developed. Purpose: choose where investments will create the greatest value, such as the wider city get developed. Introduction to project management, the first level of the management. Structure, process, and result. In this part, we look at the few core questions. How a project management method can be applied across different contexts. How project management is structured. What project management is and what is not. What makes a piece of work a real project and why structured guidance matters in the first place. Universal International Management Method. A good project management method can be used in almost any kind of project, large or small, in different sectors, countries, and organizations. Why? Because it doesn't replace expert work, it creates the structure around that work. So, project management is not architecture, engineering, finance, or software development, as many might think. It's the discipline that helps all of that move in an organized way. Why the international method works? The method works because it separates management from specialist tasks. Experts do the technical work. Project management creates the sequence, control, and coordination around it. First comes design, then approval, then preparation for delivery. That is what turns a complex effort into a system people can actually manage. The core principle, a project management method, explains what needs to happen, but it doesn't tell experts exactly how to do their work. That is what makes it flexible. The project manager defines the structure, expectation, and direction. Specialists decide how the work is best carried out in practice, how to build a house, how to develop a residential area, and so on. If you would be interested in further sessions, please subscribe and push the bell to get a notification when new sessions get alive. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this type of sessions you will like.